Hi. Hi.
No.
Hi. Hey. What you doing? Sorry. Hi guys, it's me, Tina Bear, and you are watching Bear Food Kitchen. Welcome back. If you have never seen our YouTube channel before, please subscribe, comment, like. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Today we are making Instapot potato salad. Super easy. It's a big craze right now. We cook the potatoes and the eggs together for 4 minutes. Quick release it and throw everything in. Super easy. First thing we're going to do is you have to use a trivet. If you put your water in with the potatoes on the bottom, they'll get soggy, a little mushy. So you definitely want to put your trivet in there. 1 cup of water. We are using the Yukon golden potato. It's a different cook time than a russet potato, and for this recipe they come out just perfect. So I recommend you use a softer potato. And you just line the bottom of the trivet like that. And then we are going to just place the eggs on top, and it's all going to cook together. It's super easy. So you don't have to cook 2 burners so your kitchen doesn't get hot. Over the summer, this would be great because you won't have to cook over a hot oven. And then you just put the lid on, seal. We're going to set it for 4 minutes, naturally release it, and I'll show you how it looks. So the timer went off, not a timer, but the time went off, and we released the rest of the air that was inside the Instapot. We took out the hot potatoes, and you can see I diced them up into big chunks. I kind of like it bigger. And then we took out the eggs. They cook perfectly with the potato, so it's time saving. It's going to help you not heat up your house. And when you cut into them, they're perfect. They come out perfect every time. We just plopped out all the yolks and put them in a bowl, just like that. And then with the yolks, what we're going to do is we are going to smash them up. Let me get a fork. Let me get a smasher. Go ahead and smash them. And what we're going to do with this is we are going to make a sauce for the potato salad to pour over, a delicious sauce. And then another trick that my mom used to use is she would get the pickle juice from the pickle jar, and while they were hot, she would drizzle it over the hot potatoes, and it absorbs the pickle juice. And I like the flavor of apple cider vinegar, and it gives it kind of a mellower flavor where everything just comes together. And then you stir that up with your handy dandy spoon. That way, while you're making your sauce to go in it, all of that is absorbing in. So we're going to go ahead and keep smashing, and then you're going to go ahead and add some mayo. And you could get the amounts in the recipe in the link below. We're going to add a couple tablespoons of yellow mustard. I'm going to get a spoon. Fork just isn't cutting it. You know me, I like every drop out of there. I'm going to take the rest of this. There you go. Perfect. And now You just want to get it creamy and delicious. Look at that. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, you see it? Look at that. Does that look amazing? Then we're going to add a little bit of milk. You could use buttermilk, you could use soy milk, and this is just going to loosen it up. And you kind of really want to use that step because you don't want to smash your potatoes. And we're just going to pour it over. Just like that. And I'm just going to let that sit there for a minute before I stir it because I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients because I don't want to break up the potatoes too much. So I'm going to put some red onion. And dill pickles, my favorite. They're so hard to not snack on while you're making this. I call this my snacking salad because who doesn't like snacking on a pickle, black olives, and celery while you're cooking? All the little ones come in and even some of the bigger ones. Snacking on the recipes. And then I like to add a couple radishes. It just adds that extra little bite in there. It's not a lot, it's just 2. But you could tell the difference. It's really good. Let me know what you think when you try this recipe. And then the green onions are going to be for garnish. So I separated this because I like the whites separate. You could just mash it all up, but these get lost in the salad. So we're just going to chop them up, just a rough chop, because I like to know they're in there. Easy peasy. Oh, look at that baby. Is that beautiful? Oh boy. Now you could see why I did it all together. Mixing and mixing would mash up your potatoes. And this way, you're going to have a bite of potato and not a bite of mashed potato. Now, you do want to put it in the refrigerator unless you like warm potato salad. But as it rests, the flavors meld together. And everybody says potato salad is better the next day, but I'll eat it every day. I don't care. I'll eat it warm. Hot German potato salad. There it is. Look at that. And then a little bit of green onion for some bite and color. I hope you guys try this recipe. Just go ahead and let me know, comment, subscribe. I think I'm going to go ahead and take a bite before you leave, and I'll let you know. I already know, but I'll do it for you. I'm going to do this for you. Not me, for you. I got some green onion, olive. I could taste the apple cider vinegar, and I got some celery. It's amazing. I hope you guys try it. Let me know. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.